Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unfollow someone on Mico. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, simply open your Mico application. Tap on profile icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on followings. Select the profile that you want to unfollow. Tap on 3 vertical dot on the top right corner. Tap on unfollow on the last option. Tap on confirm. And that is how you can easily unfollow someone on Mico. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment below your questions and feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.